In this video, we will learn how your smartphone uses the cloud to perform powerful tasks without draining your battery. Intensive AI apps often make your phone heat up and drain your battery in minutes due to high processing demands. Developers solve this power problem by using offloading to shift heavy computations away from your phone to remote servers. Mobile cloud computing creates a seamless bridge between your handheld device and massive data centers located far away. The process begins when you trigger an action on your phone, like asking a virtual assistant a complex question. Your phone immediately packages that request and transmits it over the internet to a powerful cloud computing server. The server receives your data and performs all the heavy mathematical lifting that would normally overwhelm your phone. The server then sends the final result back over the internet to be displayed instantly on your mobile screen. Engineers must constantly balance the speed of your network connection against the power required to keep the radio active. Load balancing techniques distribute traffic across multiple servers to ensure that no single machine gets overloaded during peak times. This integration of mobile devices and cloud services is the core paradigm enabling modern artificial intelligence in our pockets. Industry leaders use these architectural concepts to manage massive cloud environments that serve millions of mobile users daily. Combining local hardware capabilities with cloud scale unlocks possibilities that were once impossible for mobile devices. From real-time language translation to image recognition, this synergy powers almost every smart feature you use daily. You now understand how the cloud acts as a superpower, allowing your simple smartphone to perform incredible digital feats. Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.